My name is Michael Wanko, and I am the owner-operator of Boulder Engraving. We're located at 7949 Broad River Road, Irmo, South Carolina, 29063. It started out as a side business, something to do on the weekends outside of my full-time job. I ran across this machine, this portable concrete engraver that blew my mind. Had never seen anything like it before. So me and my wife went back and forth for a couple weeks of trying to talk ourselves out of it and just couldn't do it. So bought the machine, learned how to use it, tested on woods and different materials. The side weekend work turned into a full-time job 4 months later. I quit my job and went full-time. This is the first business that I've been able to dedicate 100% to. That's why I went full-time 4 months after buying the machine. Took a leap of faith that I had to give it 100%, 110%. We can engrave on virtually any surface. Our machine, one of our machines, is portable. We can actually bring it to you. The machine boxes up into a 4 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot box. I can carry it on an airplane. I can throw it in the back of my truck. I can literally go anywhere with it. Set my machine up on the entrance to your home, your shop, your driveway, your man cave, and literally engrave into the concrete. We're one of very few companies in the country that offers portable engraving on existing concrete. We started out with one machine. We now have 2 machines that we run. In addition, we recently added laser engraving to our capabilities. And we also offer engraving on Yeti Arctic hard cooler lids. I believe we're the only ones in the state who actually offer that service. It feels great to actually be able to give the customer what they want and then some. Take a lot of pride in my work. Quality is very, very important to me. And I don't walk away from it unless I'm happy with it. And of course, everyone's thrilled with it. And they always say, looks better than I thought, or looks even better in person. I like creating. My background is in welding. To be able to work with my hands, to take an idea or an image and actually be able to put it on something, whether it's a piece of wood or concrete. I just think it's something unique. We want everyone to know that whatever you can think of, whatever you can come up with is completely possible. The options are limitless in regards to what we're willing to do and are able to do.